Hello everyone. Hi, I am Nishant Ashok Sate. Today date is 31st December 2022. Today I want to talk about the SQL. Introduction in SQL in Java programming language. SQL, it means a structured query language. It can be also used to manipulating and modify the database as well as a table. In SQL, using the SQL, it is using different types of queries we can perform on the database on table. For that we have to need to create the database. For that we have to need to create a table. For that we have to using the create method. For that create a table name. So this is the syntax of that table name. Then second we have to you insert the element. For that we have to using the insert query. Insert table name and keyword we have to using the values, and then we have to add the and insert the value in that. Then we have to using update query. Update query, it have to use it to update the data or table. And also we have to using and all these queries to modify the database and table. Then for that we have to using the JDBC. JDBC, it means Java database connectivity. For that we have to using the connectivity between two tables, and then we have to can be connect to the local host of that program. So we have to use the connectivity. For that we have to the using the JDBC driver. JDBC driver is also used to connectivity between the database. Then in database we have to using in SQL we have to using a string function. String function, it means we have to find out the length of the character, then replace the character, trim. This is the string function. We have to also use it in the SQL. Then second one we have to using the aggregate function. Aggregate function, it means we have to count the detail from the table. Then we have to find out the maximum number, minimum. So all these aggregate function we also used in the SQL. This is very important because of we have to all the database work or depend on the SQL queries, and it can be most important to handle the database and modify the table also, as well as the database also always the table. It also we have to only modify the raw data because of it can be stored the data in table form. So this is the concept of SQL in Java programming language. It can be widely used and most important function in Java programming language. So thank you.